S181 drone operation tutorial. Take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the drone battery before flight. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Indicator light is red when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Demonstration of charging the remote control. Connecting the remote control. Connecting the power supply. Indicator light is red when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Insert the memory card into the remote control slot. Unfold the drone arm. Install the drone battery. Make sure the drone is horizontal before starting it. Press and hold to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The drone will automatically pair with the remote control. After selecting the language, wait to enter the image transmission screen. Press and hold for geomagnetic calibration. Rotate horizontally clockwise to hear a beep. Then rotate vertically clockwise to hear a beep again. Compass horizontal calibration is complete. Short press for gyro calibration. The drone's light flashes and then lights up. Calibration is complete. After the above operation, please wait for the drone GPS to search for stars. The remote control will emit a beep and the screen will show more than 9 satellites. The search is complete. You can take off. Unlock the drone with the Alt 8 lever. Push up the left stick to take off. Rise. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Toggle the speed adjustment button on the remote control. You can adjust the drone's flight power into speed. A few beeps indicate the switching speed. Toggle wheel on the top right side of the remote control. Toggle the camera angle down to the right. Toggle the camera angle up to the left. Turn on the obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will stop automatically when it encounters an obstacle. Short press the photo button to take photo. Short press the record button to start recording. Press again to save the recording. Short press the return button. The drone will return to the takeoff point. Connect to app. You need to turn off the display switch first. Scan the QR code of the menu to download the corresponding app according to the cell phone system. Connect to the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying. Indoor mode demonstration. Turn on the drone and remote control first. Select the language and enter the transmission screen. Long press the GPS button on the remote control to turn off the GPS. 1 button to calibrate gyroscope. Unlock the drone by pressing the Alt 8 lever. Push the left stick up to take off. Press the back button. Select File Management. You can view pictures and videos. Press Confirm button to play video. Press the back button to return to the image transmission screen. Load the memory card into the card reader and plug it into the USB port of your computer. Then you can see the shooting image. Replace the fan blade. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the blades and remove the blades. Note the difference between the A and B symbols. Install the corresponding fan blade.